guys, it's me Dhriti.
Hey guys, it's me Aaradhya.
And so today we are going to Ikea mall. I'm super excited. So let's go. Yeah guys, so now we are at Ikea. I'll take the first one. Hey guys, so we are at the parking lot in Ikea mall, as you can see backside in the window. So we are looking for a place to park and we'll meet you when we are in. Yeah guys, so we are at the Ikea mall. My parents are looking for some things for our house, so we are just roaming here and there, and we'll go up and we'll show you like the whole mall. Not literally the whole mall, but wherever we roam. So let's go. Yeah guys, so we are here. We are just looking out for some things to shop. Until then, we'll keep searching. Hey guys, so as you can see, we are in the basement. We couldn't go to the kitchen because it was closed. So now we are in the down part. It's like where all the curtains and all those things be. So my mom is shopping for blinds for the kitchen. So Aaradhya is hanging out with my mom and checking what are good and whatever. So I am here just looking for a place to sit, and I hope we're done very fast because my legs are aching and we couldn't eat anything because the shops were closed. So we are going to home now. I mean home after some time. So I don't know, but actually I could do my best to shoot wherever we went, but there were like a lot of people, so I thought it would be disturbing, so I couldn't shoot all of that. So yeah, I'm gonna wait and wait and wait and see if my parents come. I mean see if they finish them fastly. Okay, so see you in the car hopefully. Hey guys, it's me here back at home. So I couldn't shoot in the car because I was way too busy sleeping. We dropped Aaradhya off because I guess so, because I didn't find her in the car. And I asked my dad, so he said, well, yes, we dropped. So yes, we dropped Aaradhya at her house. And now I had my dinner just now and I'm all ready to sleep. Yeah, so thanks for watching guys. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to comment your favorite part of the video. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.